The somewhat true tale of Robin Hood is kind of about Robin Hood as we know it.
It's a lot like the movie Men in Tights, the play Men in Tights.
It's the same old Robin Hood story where Robin Hood saves the poor from the evil prince and the sheriff.
He saves the poor and how he triumphs over the evil Prince John and the sheriff.
They basically try to undo the misdeeds of Prince John and his evil crony, the Sheriff of Nottingham.
You know, they defeat the evil Prince John and the Sheriff of Nottingham, but the story is in a way where it's hysterical.
It's mostly a comedy. It's very silly.
I am Robin Hood this year, and my character is your classic hero. He's, you know, arrogant, pompous. You know, he's a good character to play.
In the show, I am the evil Prince John, the head bad guy. This role has been really awesome. I love it a lot because I never really got to be an evil person before in any plays, and I'm really happy that I get to this time.
My character is the lady in waiting. She's pretty bipolar, she's kind of nutty. Most of the time she's sick of life and ready to make a sarcastic comment about pretty much everything going on.
My character is the townsperson, and she is the narrator of the whole story. She's a peasant who comes into the Sherwood Forest and says, "Hey, I want to help you tell the story."
The townsperson is Byroll, and the townsperson is kind of the narrator of the play. They kind of let everybody know what's going on, but at the same time they want to get in on the action, so they jump into scenes and people are like, "What are you even doing?" But you know, the townsperson just wants to be a part of everything.
My character is the lady in waiting, and I'm pretty much crazy. I scream in like every scene, but I'm pretty much Lady Marian's best friend.
My favorite character in the play has to be the Sheriff of Nottingham, who is played by Nick Adkins. He does such a superb job with it, and he is so hilarious.
My favorite character would have to be the sheriff. Nick Adkins has so much talent. I love the way he plays the character, and he floors me every time he does a scene. He's really funny.
My favorite character is the Sheriff of Nottingham because Nick Adkins just breathes life into this character. I have heard him tell every joke thousands of times, and I laugh so hard every time.
My favorite character in the play is probably the fawning ladies that they trail after the evil Prince John, and they pretty much are always there, always funny. They're basically his cheerleaders, and they really add to the show.
It's got to be Robin, just because he's so pompous and he's so full of himself, but in the end he turns out to be just this really good guy who only wants to help out.
I have to say, a character I didn't expect to be in the play is Dr. Technical Director, who is usually hidden in the back, and I mean he is, but he's actually the hero of our show, and I didn't really see that coming.